This is The Green Show, presented by Jacob Vetter. Listen closely. Green is fresh plants, gargantuan trees, and getting sick. Green is the taste of Granny Smith apples. Green smells like decorative bushes and summer plants. Green makes me feel nauseous. Green is the sound of leaves blowing in the wind and frogs croaking in the night. Green is the far home turf, climbing spring trees, and juicy pears. Green is hiking in the forest. Green is Itasca State Park. Green is rolling in the grass.